Mina into lengingayikhuta wena mlingani ukuthi bathi uthi khona amantombazana king la ngile info loyifunako somewhere but akasi glamorous.
Yeah, akhona king. Maningi futhi.
Thina emajitela amaningi lengufundzile ngawo king.
Yeah.
Afuna bomadumane without having to pay the cost yekuba namadumane.
That's the thing, king. So we're angry, king. Ukuthi madumane njani so funa kushaya inhlavu. You understand?
So funa kushaya inhlavu.
Madumane king une cost vele.
Ukhona Jabhisile king le ezilalini le ngikuphi nje ngabe kusangalena kubo Mnambithi. Ukhona uJabhisile Mnambithi king. Angajola nawo angafuni imali yakho anganebona. But because wena ufuna the Facebook and Instagram likes uyabona aneke ujole naye ufuna amadumane and even though you can pay the cost ekubona amadumane ubitha inside uyabona.
Yeah, and very bitter king. Yeah, insecure dog. Mawulele ukuphi nyalo wendani, understand? Awukho sure ngesitolo sakho uyabona. That's the thing king ukuthi because ulenza iphelele blind wena king and say you understand akutshela ngafoni nje ukuthi kuse good night baby.
Okay ngingani le drama ansafuni labantwana bafele machacha letincingo.
Nigga like losing zone, okay, you understand? Because it's into the except that's why they don't put in the king une comfort, you understand? And the comfort of your own home. More than the king put you in the uselekisa king you in the under the Houdini tip. Yabona.
Nile abusive king. Alifulele umbana ayolala ngabo 4. Urafela ucingo ngabo 4. Why bese nibabhitha king umbana nakathi ufuna kuyolala ngabo 4 ufuna kushesha lale or maybe nakathi uyemgcwabeni yabona like neka bekhona this weekend. Why bese senifuna kubabhitha nini senifuna kumlwisa.
It's because siyathi king kuzakusiko lokho king. She's servicing other niggas and which she should mangibuka mina king because that's her. You understand? That's akhuluma about freedom of speech nyalo king. That's her. You understand? She's doing her. Yabona. Because king unless mama benikhulumile ukuthi kuseme mina nawe ini vele sobeke ama promise and stuff kwandani ngabomake nabantu bani ngokhishwa inkomo nanani kwathiwa i-direction ibheka leni, understand? But you're still playing. Except king ekusheshile king njengoba i-economy leni makhandlela king buyers and sellers king ngibalo bidako ubhida bani ubhida ngaloko ngakanani king kufika lokunye iqedza kumbamba king nomadumane king webhe ukhipha mavev lapha nidla ama-champagne kanjani afika umjide kufika Jay-Z bro, you understand? There's always a bigger nigga, there's always a bigger house, there's always better clothes, you understand? So kungiloko nje awukho sure mfana ngesitolo sakho mawubhida high. Once ufuna kubhida high king uzubhida lapha wena. Awusadi story mfana because nithi ngwenya king. Chama ngala ma-wallet la ngala sicela sikhuluma ngawo gaqwako la ngala eceleni ukuthi zilo uyadlala king. Yamfana king akushintshela akasekwathi kwathi bangimalume wami lo ya.
Mina that's why king le type sekwaba kahle ukuthi angisekho kule market today because le type yemjida lengiyo nangibona ukuthi sekufikela amajida ema-wallet ngiyamtshela ngithi kusebe uyabona la ndlini ukuthi la sithi imali ye-rent nekudla. Bobuye phela le bobuya nemali ye-rent nekudla uyabona. Utangitshela nasosocethile neke ngikufonele yabo. Get some money for rent and food stokudla lana.